What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna be doing how I shoot my photos, like what I do to go get the photos, where I go, and everything. So, yeah. All right, make sure to stay tuned for the video. Join the R by subscribing so you can be in the city. Yes, sir. And I'll see y'all when we get to the place I'm gonna be filming. I'm shooting at. Alright, so I just finished taking pictures of the cars I wanted to. I took pictures of this Lamborghini right here. I don't know who it is. I think it's a Huracan. I don't fucking know. Yeah, Huracan. It's like a Huracan. I'm at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars for Raleigh. Took pictures of this Porsche as well. Someone just bought one. Congrats to him. Shit's nice. 911 Carrera T. Took pictures of this one as well. This white is clean. It's Porsche 911. Took pictures of Corvette Stingray. Clean. Black and red interior. I don't know if I can see that, but black and red interior. Red brake calibers. It's nice. And this SL, I think it's a Mercedes SL. I don't fucking know. Yeah, SL 450. Shit's pretty fucking nice. Ain't gonna lie to you. I was looking at these Bentleys too. One day or day one, who knows? But yeah, they pretty much everything. Bit body coloring. Just fucking immaculate. S-Class, is it? It's V8, so it's S-Class. Interior is sick. I don't fucking interior. Yeah, that's 63. Bunch of Teslas, but y'all don't care about that. These shits are hard as fuck. I swear to God, I'll have these one day. One of them. If not on all of them, but we'll fucking see. Okay, nice. I really like this black. I don't know if it looks like rap, but I already just wrapped it. Great fucking job. Disgusting. But we're on Capitol Boulevard right now. Sorry if y'all hear a lot of noise. It's traffic hour. Just came from the gym. One day we'll own all of these. Mark my words. Love it. So that's pretty much it. I just finished taking photos. I'm gonna go home and edit them, and I'll put some in the video. I lied. You have to go on my Instagram at ChrisFrmTheR to see the pictures. I'm dropping like one of them, a set of them each day. So yeah, y'all will see edited photos in this video. But yeah, make sure to go follow my Instagram, and you will not be disappointed. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did. Got that one. Those hell songs. Oops, let me go back. Yeah. Shit's nice. Don't race. Got a Cullen. Is that a big next to Porsche? Corvette. Stingray. Everything. But yeah. I'm gonna go edit these and I'll be back. Actually, I was gonna keep rolling. I ain't gonna say thank you. One of the sales specialists told me some McLaren back here. I didn't even fucking see this. Shouts out to him. Y'all, everyone come purchase a Rolls Royce or anything else exotic. Come shop at Rolls Royce or Raleigh. And yeah, speak to Mike. Shit's clean. Damn. I might go get pictures of this, but yeah, I'll talk to you. Oh, and they have a Gallardo. God, that shit's nice. Clean. Ooh, that's nice. That's how I was saying. When y'all probably bit spinners, can you come get this? 2010 Colorado. Got that back there too as well. That shit's clean. Ooh, those wheels are nice. Love it. But yeah, I'll go take a picture of this right here next to McLaren. Yeah, 5. I know 650S. 650S. Okay, picture of this. This is fucking immaculate. Bro, it's fucking crazy fucking traffic. Like, damn. How the fuck am I gonna get out of this shit? I didn't pay attention to the fucking road. I'll get back to y'all when I'm in the fucking road. I got in the road soon after that, so let's keep driving. Oh shit, look at this. That shit's nice. I don't know if I can see it. But yeah. Clean right there. I need to fucking fix up my fucking Camry. I don't know. I'm gonna get it wrapped as well. And do those lights that car had. Cause they look clean as hell. But we'll fucking see. I'm about to go home, edit these photos. I might get a fucking iPad so I can just do shit on the go. But going all the way home just to edit some photos is crazy. Like I can just do it in my fucking car. Chilling. But we'll fucking see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So I can't be fucking speeding. But all the way fucking up there. That Camaro was nice. I like it, that green. It's 1LT probably. Yeah, it was nice. We'll fucking see. Damn, that shit's traffic. I'm glad I'm not in that shit. God damn. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. I need to get over. Oh, it's hell no, I ain't stuck with that shit. Too much. Ooh, the Circle de Soleil. Universal Soul Suckers, I guess. Let's see. This fucking stupid ass old ass car ain't letting me get on one stop. Cause some old cars be like gang hate. It's just, I'm a road rager. Yeah, as y'all can see. braking. There's no one in fucking front of you. Damn. Sorry, truck. Alright, you get the fuck Come on, my man. Let's get over here. Someone's gonna turn. Of course, the light's green. I need me that light. Come on. Come on, Camry. Alright. Of course it's one lane. Of course it's one lane. Shit's narrow for what? Okay, you know some fucking shit. You're doing construction work on the fucking side of the road. Why you need fucking cones over here? What the fuck is that gonna accomplish? Not shit. But yeah, I'm gone. Well, I never did an intro, but thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and join the 9 so you can be part of the city. Yeah, peace, like and comment.